Bihar Centenary Chief Minister Girl Uniform Scheme. The Bihar Centenary Chief Minister Girl Uniform Scheme, launched in 2011, stands as a landmark initiative aimed at promoting girls' education empowerment in the state. The primary goal of this scheme was to provide financial assistance to girl students enrolled in a government school to purchase a school uniform. This step was taken to ensure their consistent participation in education and provide equal opportunity to girls, especially from rural and economical weaker sections. The vision behind this scheme was rooted in the reality that many girls in Bihar, particularly in rural areas, were unable to attend school due to financial constraints. A significant number of girls dropped out simply because they didn't have proper school uniform, which led to feeling of inferiority and shame. This scheme directly targeted the challenge by empowering girls with dignity and confidence through uniform support. The impact of the scheme has been extremely positive and far-reaching, where once the enrollment rate of girls in a government school was only 33%, it has now impressively increased to 97%. This dramatic rise in the strong testament to power of well-planned public welfare scheme that directly touched the life of beneficiaries. In the past 14 years, a total of 24.12 billion has been distributed under this scheme, benefiting nearly 1.94 crore girls students. The funds are transferred directly into the student bank account, ensuring transparency and eliminating the scope of corruption or intermediaries. This scheme has gone beyond just financial support. It has triggered a wave of social change. When girls wear their school uniform with pride and go to school with confidence, it boosts their self-esteem and builds a sense of belonging. The simple act of wearing a uniform has become symbolic of the brighter and more secure future of this young girl. The Bihar Centenary Chief Minister Girl Uniform Scheme is not merely an economic assistance program. It is a progressive effort to elevate the status of girl in a society. Behind every smiling face of a girl walking to a school in a uniform is a story of success, resilience, and hope. These girls are no longer limited by their circumstances. They are empowered to dream big and work towards fulfilling those dreams. This scheme is a shining example of how thoughtful governance and inclusive policy making can bring about transformative change. It is the milestone in the field of education in Bihar and serve as a model for the other states across India. More than just a scheme to provide uniform, it is a step towards building a strong, self-reliant and educated generation of girls. It reflects the belief that when we invest in our daughter, we invest in the future of the nation.